Hello, this is Eric Bear with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management here in San Francisco. Today I'm sharing with you 946 Central. This is in the Nopa area of San Francisco. The Panhandle Golden Gate Park is right down the street, as is Lucky's. Just over those buildings is Target, as well as Chipotle and Trader Joe's and a couple other shops and restaurants as well. Okay, we'll reach the top of this landing. Again, we're at the top floor. We have a nice foyer area here as we reach the top of the stairs. Let's go into the kitchen area first. Nice deep farmer sink, wooden floors throughout the house, the apartment. Stainless refrigerator, gas range, hood, nice vented hood, microwave, lots of cabinets and cupboard space here as well. Just a really beautiful, beautiful kitchen. This is a nice room. This is an accessory room that can be used for multiple items, office, dining area, lounge area. Now, we're calling this the Bocce Ball Apartments because, as you can see right here, the owner has set up a bocce ball court. Nice grassy, artificial grass right there. And then a sitting area, all supplied by the owner and maintained by the owner. And then there's a barbecue for your enjoyment. And of course, you get a lovely, lovely view as you look out here. So let's go back in. We'll explore the living room and kitchen, and bathroom, as well as the converted 3 bedrooms. So here we are in the living room. There's shelving space here, decorative ceilings, as well as wainscoting along the walls. All these windows, I should note, it's really warm in here. All these windows are double pane, new vinyl windows, which is really nice. Coming through here, we have the bathroom. Nice tile floors, marble countertop here, lots of light, and shower. Nice soak tub as well. Shower tub combination. Lots of light coming through here. Let's show you some closet space. This is one in the hallway, so lots of closet space. And that's the stairway we came up. And here's another hallway closet. I just turned on the lights for you right there. So these are many of the closets here are lighted, which makes it really nice if you've ever lived in an apartment without lights in the closet. This is bedroom number 1. Again, nice wooden floors, a picture railing, and then here is the closet here. And it's pretty deep. This is a really nicely sized closet to store lots of stuff. 3-prong outlets. That's something you always want to watch out and look for as you're looking at apartments. And share the second bedroom. This is a bright one. So this is west facing. It's getting late in the day right now. Nice bay window right there to enjoy. And then of course you have a closet here as well. And I mentioned this was a converted 3, so we're calling this the potential 3-bedroom if you're looking for a 3-bedroom. There is some space here to put clothing, but there's so spacious in here you could put a furniture piece if you wanted to hang clothing as well. So very, very gorgeous. Lots of wood accents, picture railing, and you have this beautiful decorative fireplace right here. So that's it, 946 Central. If you're interested in viewing this property, we'll have a showing schedule up. Again, this is currently the spring, so just about April of 2024 for reference, and we look forward to sharing this property with you. All right, bye-bye.